Japan. Here is the flag of Japan. The flag is white with a red circle in the middle symbolizing the sun. Location. Japan is a country in Asia. It's made up of many islands in the Pacific Ocean. It's quite far from other countries, but lots of people live there. Source of the name. The name Japan comes from a word in the Japanese language, Nihon, or Nippon. It means, origin of the sun, because Japan is where the sun rises in the morning. Main cities. In Japan, there are big cities like Tokyo. This is Japan's capital and biggest city. It has modern buildings, shops, shows, and culture. You can see famous places like Tokyo Tower, Imperial Palace, and Meiji Shrine. Kyoto, this was Japan's capital for over 1,000 years. It has old temples, shrines, and gardens. You can visit places like Kiyomizu-dera, Kinkakuji, and Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. Osaka. It is Japan's second city and Kansai's economic hub. It has tasty food, friendly people, and fun things to do. You can eat local dishes like takoyaki and okonomiyaki, or go to places like Universal Studios Japan and Osaka Castle. Countryside. Outside the cities, there are beautiful mountains, forests, and even hot springs. People in Japan enjoy nature and like to visit these places. People. Japanese people are polite and respectful. They have their own traditions and ways of doing things that make them special. Language. The main language spoken in Japan is Japanese. It has unique characters called kanji and hiragana that make their writing look different and cool. Religion. In Japan, many people follow a religion called Shintoism or Buddhism. They visit shrines and temples to pray and connect with their beliefs. Food. Japanese food is famous around the world. Sushi rolls, ramen, and tempura are some examples. They also have yummy sweets like mochi and matcha tea. Culture. Japan has so much culture to explore. There are beautiful temples like Kinkakuji, and historic places like Hiroshima Peace Memorial. People also love traditional arts like origami and tea ceremonies. Monuments. Japan has many natural landmarks like Mount Fuji. It is Japan's highest mountain and a volcano. It is very big and beautiful. You can see it from far away. Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. It is a forest of tall bamboo trees in Kyoto. It is very humble and nice. You can walk or ride a rickshaw there. Japan has many shrines and temples for different gods and religions. Some of the famous ones are Itsukushima Shrine. This is a shrine on an island near Hiroshima that has a giant red gate that looks like it is floating on the water. Fushimi Inari Taisha. The shrine is very colorful and impressive, and many people hike up the hill to see the views. Japan also has many castles and villages from the past. Some of the interesting ones are Himeji Castle, a white castle with many towers and gardens. Shirakawa-go, a village with old houses and roofs made of straw. Japan is an island full of surprises. They have cool robots, tasty sushi, tall mountains like Fuji, and beautiful cherry blossoms. It's a place where old traditions meet fun and new ideas.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more.